Interesting birds, shining rainbows, and a lake of 7 colors, it's time to visit Bacalar. Good morning, lovelies. So we have arrived in Bacalar. It's definitely a different feel and a different look than Mexico City. It's a little bit more touristy than I thought it was going to be, but I'm pretty excited to just check out the lake and explore the area. Eat some different food. Last night we actually sat at a restaurant that had a lot more options than I'm used to, not so much Mexican food, which was kind of nice because I've been eating Mexican food for a week solid and I'm a little burnt out on it, to be quite honest, so I got like a pasta dish that was delicious. I'm standing right now on our beautiful balcony. We're staying at an Airbnb, and today's agenda is to just walk around, explore, get some cool shots of the area, check out the lake, and hopefully go on a boat tour tonight if we don't get rained out. So let's go on an adventure. We couldn't see this last night, so it's really cool to actually see it now. This is just right outside of our Airbnb. We're gonna walk down to the water. We have reached the water and it is amazing. You can see it behind me. Oh, so gorgeous. Really excited to be here. This is a public beach area. I'll show you. Online it says 3 pesos. The guy let us walk down and look at it before we pay, so we're gonna probably head back and not stay here. Online, some of the tourists said they were also charged 15 pesos, so most of the people said it cost 3 pesos. Did he say 3 pesos?
He didn't tell me a price, but I think the fact that we asked in Spanish made a huge difference.
It makes a huge difference. Everywhere we go, you're less likely to be scammed if you're better at speaking Spanish. I found that when Evelyne speaks, she gets lower prices than when I speak, because my Spanish is awful and I know very, very, very little. So yeah. While Bacalar is a very walkable town, most beach access requires you to pay for a fee, or for some of the restaurants, requires you to buy some food. We've kind of taken a little walk to survey which places are open and how much they charge. Our Airbnb host owns a restaurant and she also is gonna book us a boat tour, so we're gonna eat at the restaurant, go on the tour. So let me show you the restaurant right now. That's the entrance that we came in, and then I'm assuming that's the entrance to the restaurant. We'll find out.
Very hot.
I shared it with my Instagram story, but I totally forgot to get it for you guys. So I've got my shrimp half eaten now, some amazing guacamole, and this beautiful view. After enjoying our food, we had some time to relax. I had fun documenting Bacalar's incredibly diverse bird population. There are over 400 different bird species in the Yucatan Peninsula where Bacalar resides. We're on a boat getting ready for our tour. As we set off on the water, I had visions of Pirates of the Caribbean, and while I knew we were far from that location, Bacalar does have a history of pirates throughout the 17th century. They would come inland for Bacalar's wood to fix their ships. Nowadays, it's much more peaceful, with kayakers, casual boaters, and people looking for a great swim. Our first stop was Cenote Negro, which also shows up on Google as Cenote La Brea, which means the cenote of the witch. Cenote Negro is over 250 feet deep and is a beautiful example of why Bacalar Lake is also called the Lake of 7 Colors. While the water remains clear, the depth of the floor changes dramatically, causing a change from light blues into deeper hues. Cenote Negro is where we We did some swimming. It's really cool. I wish I could go scuba diving here. But me and Evelyne both really enjoyed it, and now we're headed off to see Bird Island, see if we can see some storks, which are supposedly nesting right now, so we'll see what we can get. We stopped at an empty limestone soil bank, enjoying the white sand and beautiful sky. Thankful that the forecasted rain stayed far off in the distance and provided us with a beautiful rainbow. As we rounded the lake to head back to town, our last stop was the Pirate Canal, a very busy tourist spot with access to clay, which had been advertised as a traditional Mayan clay bath.
Oh yeah, there's like chunks of it. Alright, so I think we have found where the clay is.
Yeah,
you can definitely feel the difference. He told us to go further than the other people were going. And yeah, definitely.
Oh my god, there's a sinkhole!
There's like a sinkhole right there. Oh wow, look at that. Alright, we're gonna try this.
While I was quite hesitant about its sanitation, the clay actually did make my arms feel quite a bit softer. It was worth stopping in, but was not my favorite part of the boat tour.
It's got lots of veggies, including jicama. I already tried one off camera, but it's got a very unique flavor, but I really like it. And I tried it with some spices. Tajin, which was really delicious actually. I recommend trying it if you're in the area.
Overall, it was an excellent day. I'm really glad we were able to get a boat tour, especially one all to ourselves. I highly recommend either going out kayaking or finding a boat tour that you can go on so you can fully enjoy the Lake of Seven Colors in Bacalar.
I hope you enjoyed this look at a boat tour of Bacalar and the Lake of Seven Colors. It has been an absolutely beautiful day and I've loved every minute of it. We're gonna finish off with some dessert and a beautiful sunset. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a like and subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, remember to live, love, and travel on. Bye!
The airport's so tiny that there's not even any gates. Next week, we're gonna head deep into the Mayan jungle. I am really excited to share this video and story with you, so I hope you hit that subscribe button.